Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rayhan Nazibidistira. Today I will talk about overcoming fear of public speaking. This something almost everyone experience. So let's go through it together. The problem. Many people feel nervous when speaking in public. Maybe you've experienced your heart racing, your hands sweating, or even your voice shaking. These are very common symptoms. But the real problem is when this happens or message doesn't reach the audience effectively. Instead of focusing on what they say, people notice or nervousness. That why we need to solve these issues. Okay, next the slide. Why it matters. Public speaking is a essential skill in school, work, and even in daily life. Imagine if you want to lead a team, present an idea, or give a talk at a wedding. If you cannot speak confidently, you will miss opportunities. On the other hand, if we overcome this fear, we open the door to more success in our career, studies, and relationship. Okay, next the slide. Identifying the root cause. So, why do we feel this fear? There are several causes. First, we are afraid of being judged or criticized by others. Second, we often lack prepare or practice, so we'll insecure. Third, some of us had bad experience in the past, like forgetting words and stage. And lastly, many experience in the past, like forgetting words on stage. And lastly, many of us are perfectionists. We want everything to be perfect, and that makes us use even more nervous. Okay, next slide. Needs vs wants. Here we need to separate needs from wants. What we need is confidence, good techniques, and structured practice. What we want is to speak smoothly, engage the audience, and be persuasive. If we only focus on one we want without building one we need, we will fail. That's why we must train the basics first. Okay, next slide. Slide 6. Possible solution. There are several solutions we can try. First, proper preparation. Always research your topic and practice before speaking. Second, use breathing exercise to calm your nervous. Third, practice positive values visualization. Image yourself speaking confidently before the actual moment. Also, such small maybe present in front of a mirror, then a few friends, and gradually a large group. And lastly, join communities like maybe Toastmaster or practice in a soft environment. Okay, next slash. Implementation. Implementation is solution are useless without implementation. So here are some steps: create and daily practice schedule. Even just 10 minutes a day, record yourself speaking, then watch and find your weakness. Ask for feedback from friends or mentors. And before presenting, always apply relaxation techniques such as deep breathing. This way improvement in consistent. Okay, next slide. Practice activity. One simple activity is to give a 1 minute spontaneous speech about any topic. You can use a mirror or a camera to check your experience and gestures, then increase the duration every week from 1 minute to 3 minutes. Then 5 minutes they will build your confidence step by step. Okay, next slide is resources. If you want improve further, there are many resources. For example, the book Talk Like TED by Carmine Gill, which analyzes why TED speakers are effective. You can also with TED Talks on YouTube or learn different speaking styles. And three and apps like Orange or Umo that give instant feedback on your speaking. Okay, next tips. The tips here and some quick tips. Start with a smile. It breaks the ice. Maintain a contact so the audience feels included. Don't memorize your speech word by word because that increases precious. Instead, just focus on the main points. And remember, practice is more important than theory. The more or practice, the easier it gets. Okay, next conclusion. To conclude, fear of public speaking is completely normal. Every feels it, but with preparation, practice, and a positive mindset, we can overcome it. Public speaking is not an inborn talent. It is a skill, and like any skill, the more we practice, the better we become. Thank you. This is for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.